Hello everyone! If you go to this video looking for the fastest and easiest way to compare two spreadsheets, let me tell you, you just got to the right place. Here are 4 simple steps to do so. Step 1. Acquire JuxtAPPose free. Yes, this is a completely free software you can download from the page in the video description. Step 2. Select 2 files. Here we just select the 2 files we want to compare. And we click on extract. Step 3. Set the key column to identify the rows in both files. For this, we just have to type part of the name. We could use other columns, but for this example, 1 is sufficient. And now click compare. And that's it. Now we can start browsing for the first difference. Double click, that will take you to the value that this cell was compared in the other file. And in this case, I prepare this column, which is expected to be different. In your case, maybe timestamp or something that you know is going to be different. So we're going to ignore here and compare again. And now shrink the results. And now we can easily see the differences, unique keys, or repeated keys if we have one. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're ready to learn more, just refer to the webpage in the video description. We will be uploading more content about other examples and new features. If you have any questions, such as how to connect to a database engine like SQL Server or Oracle, or if you have in mind any specific feature that you would like to see in further releases, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.